Today we are going to discuss how to clean your data efficiently for data analytics. Subscribe to our channel, i-Synq Consulting. We are industry experts in data analytics, DBA and DevOps training. We also offer a wide range of certifications and consulting services. Connect with us today. Data cleaning is a critical step in the data analytics process, as it ensures that your analyses are based on accurate and reliable data. Here's a comprehensive guide on how you can efficiently clean your data. Start by understanding your data. Before diving into the cleaning process, take the time to familiarize yourself with the structure of your dataset, including its variables and overall patterns. This initial step is crucial because it helps you identify potential issues more effectively and sets the stage for successful cleaning. Understanding the context of your data will also allow you to make informed decisions during the cleaning process. Next, handle missing values. Assess your dataset for any gaps in information. Missing values can occur for various reasons, such as errors during data collection or entry. You can choose to impute missing values using statistical methods like mean or median substitution, or you may decide to remove incomplete records if they are not significant to your analysis. Making informed decisions about how to address missing data is essential for maintaining the integrity of your dataset and ensuring that your analysis is robust. Then focus on removing duplicates. Identify and eliminate redundant records that can skew your analysis and lead to incorrect conclusions. Duplicate entries often arise during data collection, especially when merging data sets from different sources. Use tools like Skill or data manipulation libraries in Python, such as Pandas, to efficiently locate and remove these duplicates. After that, standardize your data. Ensure that all entries in your dataset follow a consistent format. This includes standardizing date formats, e.g., converting all dates to YYY IMMDD, text casing, e.g., making all text lowercase, and numerical values, e.g., ensuring consistent decimal places. Consistency across your dataset facilitates seamless integration and reduces discrepancies during analysis. Next, correct inconsistencies within your dataset. Resolve any conflicting information to ensure that all records reflect accurate details. For example, if one entry lists a city as New York and another as NYC, standardizing these entries will enhance the trustworthiness of your data. This process improves the quality of insights derived from it and ensures that you are analyzing accurate information. It's also important to handle outliers carefully. Identify anomalous data points that may unduly influence your analysis. Outliers can arise from measurement errors or genuine variability in the data. Depending on the context of your analysis, you can choose to remove these outliers or transform them using techniques like logarithmic scaling or Winsorization to minimize their impact on your results. Additionally, be sure to document changes made during the cleaning process. Keeping a log of all modifications ensures transparency and reproducibility in your analyses. Documenting assumptions or decisions made during cleaning is also important for future reference, especially when sharing your work with colleagues or stakeholders. Finally, validate data accuracy by cross-checking it against reliable sources or conducting spot checks to ensure correctness. Running tests on your clean data will confirm that it behaves as expected and supports meaningful analysis. This validation step is crucial for building confidence in the results of your analysis. By following these steps, you can efficiently clean your data and prepare it for insightful analysis. Remember that data cleaning is not just a one-time task. It's an ongoing process essential for deriving meaningful insights and making informed decisions. Subscribe to our channel i-Synq Consulting to stay updated with the latest industry data trends and daily learning opportunities. We're excited to announce new batches for data analytics, DBA and DevOps are starting soon. Connect with us today to secure your spot. Until then, keep learning and master the data skills with i-Synq Consulting.